Imagine you're on a train, and suddenly it stops at every station, taking up valuable space on the tracks. That's basically what the Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited is doing. They're helping the Indian Railways move trains around by leasing out its rolling stock and infrastructure assets. This company has been operating since 1986, and over time, it's developed into a major player in the financial services sector. They've got a pretty unique business model that involves not only leasing out these assets but also lending money to the Indian Railways itself. It sounds like a bit of a weird combination, but trust me, it works. The company has been doing well lately, with its stock price up by over 10% in the past year alone. That's no small feat for a company that doesn't have any employees, I know, right? But they're not just relying on their own efforts, they've also got access to capital from the financial markets. So why should investors care about Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited? Well, as a non-deposit taking non-banking financial and infrastructure finance company, they can lend money to other companies that might need it. And with a decent dividend yield of 1.77%, you can be sure your investment is paying off in some way. The company's business model has been successful for years, and its market capitalization of over $18 billion makes it one of the most valuable financial services companies in India today. But what really sets them apart is their ability to balance risk with reward. They're not just taking on too much debt, they're also making smart investments that pay off big time. All this suggests to me that Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited has a bright future ahead of it, and investors are eager to get in on the action. If you're looking for a way to play the financial sector, with a unique twist, then this company might be worth considering. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.